Hi, Dr. Q here from Star Nursery. As you know, I make house calls. And here are a few of the questions or problems that people ask me about this time of year. The first is, my lawn is starting to die out in patches. Is this a fungus? In most cases, it is not a fungus problem. It is a watering problem. The only true warm season grass that is used here is Bermuda grass, and many people do not use it because it goes dormant in the winter. Fescue is the most commonly used grass for year-round green lawns, but fescue is a cool season grass that takes much more water in the summer months. It also needs to be left at about 3 inches or more when it is cut in the summer, so it can shade the soil and its roots to keep it growing well in this heat. Mulching it in the summer will also help to hold the moisture on the soil surface where it dries out the quickest. Watering should be done in the early morning when it is the coolest time of day. Enough water should be applied to penetrate at least 4 to 6 inches of the soil surface, and the coverage has to reach all areas of the lawn. Areas right around the sprinkler heads can dry out if the water from adjacent heads is not reaching that area. And areas that are next to hardscape materials like concrete, pavers, rock, or walls will dry out faster than areas in the middle of the lawn. Extra water applied by hand will help these areas. Another problem that is common now is brown growth on shrubs and trees. Sunburn and heat stress is the main cause of this, and there's not much you can do about it other than offering them some shade and deep irrigation. Pulling rock away from the base of the plants and trees and surrounding them with organic mulch can help keep the surface roots cooler. And by watering for longer periods but less frequently, you will give the plants a better chance to survive. Established trees and shrubs will survive the heat much better if given a deep soaking every 2 or 3 days rather than multiple short periods of water every day. Don't expose plants to the direct sunlight this time of year unless they are acclimated to it. Check your sprinklers and drip emitters regularly to make sure they are operating properly. If you need any irrigation parts, remember that Star Nursery is your local irrigation supply center. Take pictures or samples of your plant or lawn problems into one of our plant specialists at your local Star Nursery. And don't forget, I make house calls. Call 702-771-7827 to make an appointment. I'm Dr. Q, and I'll see you next week.